Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the bonnet and removing the top plastic trim, pull clips and undo the 2-3 visible screws so you can reach the housing. Once done, disconnect the battery negative terminal to prevent sparks while you work. Next, remove any auxiliary cover or the wheel arch access panel if your model has one. This gives direct access to the rear of the headlight. Make sure you keep screws organized so reassembly is straightforward. You now unplug the electrical connector and remove the rubber dust cap on the back of the housing. Then release the metal locking clip or unscrew the retaining bolts that secure the bulb or whole headlight module. Take note of orientation so inserts go back the same way. Remove the old bulb or module and fit the new component, avoiding skin contact on halogen glass. Once seated, resecure the clip or bolts firmly and reconnect the electrical plug. Check for a snug, sealed fit before closing covers. You finish by reinstalling the rubber dust cap, replacing the trim and panels, and reconnecting the battery negative terminal. Tighten screws evenly to avoid misalignment. Start the car and test low and high beams, indicators, and the headlight leveling function. Make sure light patterns are correct on a flat surface. If a lamp doesn't work, check the related fuse, inspect connector pins for corrosion, and verify the ground. If alignment is off, recalibrate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.